back to Boss Vision. I'm so excited for this video today. We're going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing again. This is my second one on this channel. The first one was the August box. If you haven't seen that one already, please click this link here and go ahead and take a look at that one. It was amazing. I got all things that were designed specifically for me, which made me so happy. So let's see if this box is just the same. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything that I post. I post beauty, fitness, and hauls, anything like that. It's amazing how many videos I've been putting out this last week, and it's not going to stop. It's going to be every other day. So please look forward to that and stay tuned. All right, so this box came in the mail super quick. I just got the August box and it's only September 2nd and I got the September box. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to look in here and see what it is. So just like the last one, they sent a cute note on the top. So this one says, enjoy your day. Isn't that sweet? They said, enjoy your day. Like, they love me. They care about me. I care about them too. So let's just open this up and get right into it. Man, finally, I have a subscription box that's consistent because at FabFitFun, they come like once every season. So that's once every 4 months. Birchbox comes every month and they are on it. The beginning of the month, no games. I love it. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm so excited. Look at this packaging. It's brand new. It's a little different from my other box. This is the old packaging, which is super cute. And here is my September box. I'm so excited. I love it. I love the cute design. They took their time with this one too. All right, let's just see what we got here. Oh, we got another quote. Birchbox tip number 171. A daily facial massage promotes circulation and skin elasticity. I love that. You're right, it really does. I do that because I watch a few TikTok videos and a lot of people say that you're supposed to massage your face for about 1 minute. And so I didn't even know it promotes circulation and skin elasticity. I just thought it made your face super clean. But now I know, and that's Birchbox be coming through with the tips. Yes. So this one has on the back of it all of the products. It says make time for you with the products below. So I'm really excited to get into it. Let's just see. And again, it says, let's make finding beauty stuff fun, which I love. It's like you get to search these samples and see what you actually enjoy before even buying them, which is a huge help. I definitely love that. And everything's under $30, so it's definitely cost effective. So I definitely love these products. So look, it comes with the cute tissue paper again. You know, the last one had blue tissue paper. This one has this pretty orange tissue paper, which I love. It's super cute. Okay, let's see what we got going in here. Okay, so they know it's Corona time. They understand. So they sent me this cute Kind R hand sanitizer. I love this. Oh my gosh. It says, be kinder to yourself. And it's a disinfectant, which I love. That is amazing. Wow, they're taking the time with, you know, caring about us. And it's actually a real hand sanitizer. So it's 62% alcohol. So this is the real deal. They weren't joking. And it comes with this soul food nourishing mask. Ooh, this is cute. Is this a face mask? No, this is a hair mask. I got another hair mask. I love hair masks. They know that I really love taking care of my hair. I have 4C hair under here, y'all. So it's really important to take care of your tresses and make sure they're moisturized all the time, especially during the summer. We definitely have to moisturize our hair. So this is amazing. Oh my God. And they came with a deep sleep pillow spray. I have never used a pillow spray besides the ones at Bath & Body Works. I do suggest you get them from Bath & Body Works too, but this one, deep sleep, oh, I definitely need something like that because I have trouble with sleep. So I'm definitely going to look into this. It says this works, so it must have good reviews. I'll definitely look on their website and put the link down below so you can check it out too and see if this pillow spray actually works. I always like to check reviews before I buy anything just to see if a real person actually tried it and actually loved it, so I won't waste my money. So I'm definitely gonna look into this. Oh, it's a cute little spray bottle. I wonder if it has like a fragrance to it. I'm really excited about this one too. They be coming through. And then it comes with this glassy skin balm. I've never used a skin balm, so I'm really excited to try that because I do have oily skin. And even with oily skin, you're supposed to moisturize your skin just so you can, you know, provide a new balance to the sebum and your pores and everything like that. So I do still need a moisturizer, so I'm really excited to try this glassy skin balm and see if it works for me. So this should be a good experiment. And last but not least, we got this Jane Iridelle Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain. Ooh, fell out. Ooh, this is, oh, okay, so this isn't the last thing. So I have one more thing after this, but this is a lip and cheek stain, which I love because you get to use it on your lips as well as a nice blush. I've never really used blush, but I just started doing a contour routine, which I've started to love. So I'm thinking if I start blush, I might fall in love with that as well. So this is gonna be really fun to try. And I don't like to do a deep red lip. Like one of my clients gave me this MAC super deep red and I think it's too harsh for me. So it's really good that they gave me this cute stain. I like to do tints, glosses, balms, stains, anything like that. So I'm really excited to try this. And I love the packaging of it. It's this cute little sample packaging and it shows you all the different shades that it comes in. And then it shows you the one that you've gotten, which is this perfect, just light pink that I love because I didn't want to do anything too harsh like a red or orange. So I'm so glad they sent me this nice light pink. This is cute. I'm really excited to try this too. The link will be down below if you wanted to try this stain as well because I love a good little tint, nothing too harsh. And this is actually the last product. So I got an under eye brightening serum. So I'm always sleepy all the time. So this is perfect. Oh my God. They gave me an under eye brightening serum. And the fact that they understand that I'm a brown girl and they gave me an intent medium. This is beautiful. I got medium, y'all. They pay attention. They care. They care about our specifics that we put in there. So it's an under eye brightening serum. So I'll put this under my eyes every morning and it's tinted. So you could use it almost as a concealer, which is amazing. They gave me a great concealer to try because I don't want to do anything too harsh, but you don't want to look too cakey throughout the day. So a nice serum would definitely make a difference. Wow, this was another amazing box, you guys. I really love Birchbox. I cannot say that enough. You guys definitely need to check out these links down below and see all of these amazing products. I cannot believe I got just another great box again, you guys. So definitely look at the links down below and please make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on anything that I post. Like I said, I post beauty, fitness, and hauls. There's something out there for everybody, so you're definitely gonna want to look at these videos. So definitely take a look and stay tuned for my next video, you guys. Bye.